just started our descent into Delhi. Delhi is about 200 kilometers. We are presently 200 kilometers south of Delhi, and passing through an altitude of 33,000 feet. The expected time for landing will be the next 25 minutes subject to traffic into Delhi. Temperature presently is about 15 degrees Celsius with the visibility of over 1.5 kilometers. On behalf of my team on this flight 6579, I thank you all for choosing